Leo Dreger back here with Module 4, Enumeration. Now, again, we're focusing on disclosure. We haven't changed anything about our targets yet. Eventually we will when we get to gaining access to our targets. But right now we're still going to get a little bit more information about disclosure. So in this module I want to talk about what is enumeration, the different types of things that you would enumerate, like for example our ports and our protocols like NetBIOS versus TCP/IP or whatever protocols we have to our advantage. I want to show you how you can use Google to get as much information as you possibly can. Simple network management protocol can be a wealth of information if you have access to an internal network. Also, we're going to reach out and touch things like Lightweight Directory Access Protocol or LDAP or some sort of directory service. I'll also talk about the importance of the Network Timing Protocol, or NTP, port 123. Easy way to remember that is time starts with port 1, 2, 3, so it's port 1, 2, 3. And then we'll talk about simple mail transfer protocol or mail in itself. Then we'll finally wrap up with some countermeasures. So this is going to be the last module where we're exclusively talking about disclosure before we actually get into our attacks or hacks, if you will. So let's go ahead and get our hands dirty.